need to start with what is Anaconda. If you want to go with the direct Python installation also, we can go and you can install it. But problem is, once you install the Python, then we need to identify what are the packages which are required for the data science. What are the tools which are required for data science? Those are things we need to install one by one manually. To overcome this gap, they come up with the Anaconda software. The Anaconda software is a data science platform. That means if you install the Anaconda, then we are going to get number one, Python directly installs for you. Number two, all the packages which are required for data science will be installed for you. All the tools which are required for data science installed for you. This Anaconda platform mainly designed for data scientists and to deploy your AI and machine learning projects. So our goal also end of the day, we want to develop AI products and machine learning products, we want to develop it. That is the reason we love to go with the Anaconda software installation. However, any pure Python developers also happily can install Anaconda, and whatever with Python they are getting the benefits, everything you can get it. Because Anaconda installation setup, how it happens is step 1, Python total installation. Step 2, data science related package installation. Step 3, tools installation. Like that, it is organized. That means your first step is Python installation, right? That is, we are getting it. Anyone who want to concentrate only Python, still you can go and you can use Anaconda. As installing the advanced one, you are going to get here advanced. These 2 points are extra. You are going to get it. Your Python software as it is will be there. On top of it, some 1400 Python packages are we are going to get it, which are useful for data science. And we are going to get some tools like Orange, IDs like Spider, Jupyter, JupyterLab, VS Code, etc. These all things also we are going to get it. Now tell me what you like it. You'll go for the Python direct installation, or you'll go with the Anaconda with Python installation. Anaconda with Python installation will go. Let us go and try to see how to do this Anaconda installation. Anaconda is very good guy. So he given installation steps very clearly in their documentations. If you go and try to observe here, there is a help. If you click on the help, then left side we can notice installation on the Windows, installation on the Mac, installation on the Linux, like that. And installation will not trouble you much. You need to download the software from this location. Then you need to go for the screenshot wise screenshot, next, you have to click on it. I recommend don't disturb default options. Your hand should be on the click on next, that's it. Okay, and also if you go and try to observe here versions here, there are 2 versions are mainly available. One version is known as Anaconda with Python 3.7, Anaconda with Python 2.7. From my previous lecture, which one you want to go now? Python 3.7. Why? Because you know already in another couple of hours, another 16 hours, Python 2.x support is, we are losing it. No more it is going to be supported. So everyone has to go Anaconda with Python 3.7. And whenever you are clicking, before clicking, you make sure your cursor is showing here, what is this? Windows. Any Mac people are available, click here Mac, so that it is going to show the Mac. You have to click on download. If any Linux people, click on Linux, then Linux corresponding download is available. So I request you people carefully select what is your operating system. According to operating system, click on the download. Once software is downloaded, if required, you follow the help document, keep on click on next. I don't think so any difficulties are going to face here. Within 1 second, you are going to complete all the downloads and installation, everything. That much faster it is. And there are few people, they may be asking it, Can I install older versions of the Anaconda? Yes, possible. There is a note, if you need old versions, try this. There is a archive location available. Different Python Anaconda softwares are available here. Whatever you want it, you can go and you can download, install for you. But I recommend go with the latest, whatever available. Go with the latest, whatever available. That means this note is not applicable for you people at this point of time. I recommend to go with these 3 steps only. Try to go for it. Now, any questions on the Anaconda installations? I don't think so, right? Thank you.